Welcome to Simply Street Bikes. This is a 2007 Yamaha R6, blue in color. Has 15,877 miles on it. Nice deep blue, Yamaha blue in color. Bike's in good condition. It has been down on its right side. Previous owner does have some frame sliders, so it did save a lot of the bike. But you can see it here, marks here, and also on the rear can. Other than that, there's not a whole lot else for damage, really. Must have been a pretty low speed down. Other than that, the bike's in good cosmetic condition. Does come with the tidy tail. No rips or tears in the seat. Does have flush mount turn signals. Go ahead and start up, show you the mileage. 15,877 exact mileage. Does have good tread left on the tires. Engine run fairly smooth. Really good sounding bike. So there you have it. That is a 2007 Yamaha YZF R6. 15,877 miles. If you have any further questions, need more information, contact us through our website at simplestreetbikes.com, or you can go ahead and give us a phone call at 952-941-0774. This bike does come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile warranty. Thank you for visiting Simply Street Bikes.